In this video on how to use Keystone to author ordinance, we run through the various options when creating or updating a table. We will take a look at inserting or deleting rows, inserting and formatting a new table, adjusting column widths and row heights in order to fit content, splitting a table and merging cells. We will be using a test system with test data in the following demonstration. Inserting or deleting rows. With the selected content unlocked for editing, make sure you click in the table in order to see the available table control and design formatting options. The options can be found in the Editor toolbar or under the Actions menu. To insert a new row into a table, place the cursor in the position where you want to insert a new row either before or after an existing. Navigate to the table controls in the toolbar and select the required option. Update the new row with the required data. When pasting rows of data from a Word document into the table for editing, it is crucial that the copied content has the same column structure as the content being edited in Keystone. Additionally, when pasting multiple rows of data, ensure that there are already an equivalent number of rows inserted into the table before pasting the copied content. Simply adding a new paragraph, thinking that it's a new row, will not publish with the required borders. You can turn on the Boundaries view from the Settings option to see paragraph boxes that may have been added incorrectly. Let's now take a look at how to insert and format a new table. A new table can be created in selected content by using the Insert New Table option. Or alternatively, a table may be copied and pasted from Word. New tables may need to have some formatting options updated, which may include the styling, applying a header row, or adding a table caption. When pasting a table from Word, you may need to clear unwanted formatting. In this example, we are unable to see the white text in the header row. We will need to use the option to clear the cell background color. This option is available under the Design section of the Actions menu. A reminder that the table control and design formatting options are only available when your cursor is placed into the table. Let's now use the available design options to add a table caption. Select the table caption field to edit, add the required caption, then tick to save. The table caption will appear above the table. The style that has been applied can be checked by selecting the table style icon located on the toolbar. There are 3 available styles and each can be previewed by hovering your cursor over the name for each option. Creating a table using the Keystone option, or pasting in a table that's copied from Word, will automatically apply the default style. To configure a selected row as a header for the table, so that it publishes with the required colored background and at the top of consecutive pages, update the header cell flag, which can be found under the Design options. Ensure that you confirm any changes made to the content before editing another section or logging out. And a reminder that you can generate and download a PDF of the updated section by selecting the section title and the Publish section option available from the Actions menu. This does not replace the need to generate an interim publish, which are the documents that show the ordinance with the head provision in final form and content. Next, we will take a look at how to adjust column widths and row heights. When reviewing a published version of the ordinance, where text in a cell is not displaying as required, you may need to adjust the height of the row or width of the column. Whilst editing the content, expand the layout options from the Actions menu. The table width can be adjusted if needed. In this example, we are changing the table width to display across 75% of the available space. As this table was copied from Word, the row height value needs updating, with Fit to Content being selected as the option. It's recommended to select the entire column and then update the row height with the Fit to Content option selected. The column width can be adjusted as needed. For example, you can change to the at least and percentage options, then enter the required value. We will now take a look at how to split a table or merge cells. The option to split a table is available from the table controls located on the toolbar. There is also the option to split or merge selected cells. For IT technical assistance or further information, contact the team at planning.support@transport.vic.gov.au.